Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your chart type in Webull. First of all, launch open the Webull application on your device and then make sure that you are logged into your account. From the home page or the watch list tab of Webull, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. From the menu option that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on the settings button. Under settings, tap on chart settings. Now go to the top and under type of chart, you can select either advanced chart or simplified chart. Select any one option and you will then be able to change your chart type in Webull. Now go ahead and open up any chart to see the difference. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.